in this video, I'm gonna show you the exact landing page that made me over 2.1 million in one of my companies in 2023. But not only gonna show you why this landing page has made me so much money, I'm also gonna give it to you for free. Yes, you heard that right. I'm gonna give you this landing page, exactly the whole structure, absolutely for free. All you have to do is download the same CRM that we use, the same client relationship and management tool that we use, so you can actually use it. That's the only catch. You gotta pay for a monthly subscription. If you use this CRM, you can pretty much download this landing page, implement it in your business today. And I'm telling you, just with this landing page, you can already start making 20 or 30K months. Once your leads, watch all the videos and go through this landing page. Okay, so let's jump right into it and let me explain to you why this landing page has made us so much money and why it always works. So the main thing I want you guys to understand why we have this landing page, because it does mostly of the objections prevention for you. What does this mean? This is the process of like, so I'm pretty sure you all gone through this. If you run your own business and you're in sales, you all have gone through this, which means like you guys have gone through the sale process, you offer the product, and then when you get to the price, they're like, oh, let me think about it. Let me talk to my wife, blah, blah, blah. I gotta talk to the tooth fairy, whatever it may be, whatever, whatever objection they have, right? What's very important about this page that it deletes all the objections per one. And I'm gonna talk which one is the only one you wanna leave on the table, which is the price. That's the one you wanna leave on the table. Every other objection needs to be deleted with this landing page. So in this landing page, I cover who I am, pretty much, because one of the objections you're gonna get is, well, I don't trust you. How do you know you're real? How do you know your results are real? So that's one objection we obliterate with this landing page. Is as soon as the video starts here, I tell my story about who I am, what I do, where I come from, and a little bit of background. Another thing that I say in the video is your business partner, your wife, your spouse, whatever, Santa Claus, your consultant, your dad, your mom, whoever needs to be there, your spiritual advisor. If you need somebody else to make the decision with you, that person needs to be on the call, or we're not jumping on the call. That or also now we eliminated the second objection. One of the biggest objection is, let me talk to my spouse, let me talk to my business partner, let me talk to somebody, right? Now, those are the two biggest objections you're gonna get when you're running advertisement and when you're selling a product is, how can I trust you? How do I know this works? And can I talk to my spouse, right? How do I know this works? Here's how we delete the objection, right? They go down and all they gotta do is scroll down. If they scroll down, they're gonna see results after results after results after results and more results. And it literally doesn't stop because we update this daily. Our clients get results daily, so we update this daily. We have an editor that screenshots every time one of our clients get results and they post it in our groups. We have an editor and just keeps posting it and posting it and posting it, and this thing keeps growing every month, every week, every day, and just keeps growing. That the how do I know this works? You're done. It's blown out the water. And let me say something. So we were very lucky that before I even had a landing page, I already had multiple results because I've always been a marketer. What you could do was one of my fastest clients went from 0 to 80K months in just 1 month. And one of the things that he did that he was very sneaky, I didn't even know about this till later on, is that he bought a bunch of fake testimonials. He went to Fiverr and he bought a bunch of fake testimonials and he told him exactly what to say and he implemented it. And like, you get me? Like, he will get somebody that's fake and he'll create a whole story and he kind of just faked it till he made it. But his funnel, his landing page was so awesome that's why the first month he joined us with no results, he had no background in credit repair, no background in funding, he was still able to make $80,000 in 1 month of joining us just because his landing page was on point. It was like top notch. It was literally similar to mine's. So it really looked like he's been in business for ages. So there was no objections, right? The only objection you should be happy is the price objection, right? And either way, that price objection gets obliterated because we have banks that we work with that finance the program with them. As long as they have a decent credit score, they should be rocking. That's a whole different video we're gonna talk about. But that is it, everyone. This is the landing page and the structure and the reason why we make so much money. It pretty much obliterates objection. We don't deal with the comments like, oh, let me talk to my wife, let me time to think about it, or who are you? I don't trust you, or what are the results? I don't this is a scam or not? We don't deal with none of that. All we deal with, the only objection we want to deal with is the price. So by the time they get to the program, they want to, hey, your program is this price. How can we start? That's the only objection I want to deal with because that's the easiest objection to deal with, the price one, right? So now let me tell you what was the catch of getting, because I am giving you this landing page absolutely for free. The thing that you do have to have is you got to sign up for Go High Level. It's a CRM system. And we built this landing page inside that Go High Level. And if you're not familiar with this, you need it. If you start generating ads, if you're already a business owner and you don't have a CRM, we have a problem. This is where you kind of organize. I'm gonna have a video about this, but where you organize all your leads, where how you pretty much the brain of your company should be in here. Here, how you do all your follow-ups, all your automations, all your. So if I get into it, there's too much to explain. So I'm gonna have another video about it. But down below, I'm gonna link you guys the way to download this landing page, and also I'm gonna link you guys the Go High Level. You guys gotta sign up. It's gonna be, I forgot exactly what the price is, but if you're a business owner, you know, look at the value. This is gonna give you a lot of value. This is gonna organize your business and help you actually have a landing page that you can send people, not a website. The problem about websites don't convert. Don't get it confused. Like if you're new to this, don't get websites and landing page confused. A website, you get to click around. Okay, here, I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna go here, and nothing ever happens. And landing page, you're getting in front of them to do a specific set of things. I'm only giving you this information for I could delete objections or whatever it may be. So it's just information based page. And it's very, very powerful if used correctly. All right. So I'm giving you guys pretty much everything you're gonna build. All you have to do is, of course, record your own videos. Watch my videos. There's a reason why I put this video here. Watch my videos, replicate it, and that's all you gotta do. You can't use my video because this is my faces, but you get what I mean, guys. So download the funnel, implement it into your landing page as soon as possible, and I promise, if you send clients your way to this landing page and you did it correctly, the chances of them converting are almost 70 to 80%. All right, so I'm gonna stay there. Hope you got a lot of value out of this video. See you on the next one.